Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Kathie's Heart. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now if you clicked on this video, more than likely you're searching for encouragement. So I pray that you can find that here. Have you ever been through something so traumatic? You've done all you can do. You might or you might not have somebody to talk to about it, and you don't know what the outcome is, and there's absolutely nothing you can do to change it. What do you do? Now let me tell you, I've been through something just like that in the past few weeks, and it was very, very stressful. Now let me just say that I am a believer in God and in prayer, because He tells us that if we give Him our cares and our worries, He will handle them. It's not our job to worry about things. So I've done that in the past, but at the same time, I have often not given it completely to God, and I will worry and stress over things. But at the end of the day, He will turn around answering my prayers and like, I told you, I got this. All you got to do is have faith. Because if you believe and trust that I got it, then there it is. I could tell you so many stories, y'all, how I prayed about something and I know that God is going to take care of it and handle it. But in the back of my mind, I have these worries and these stresses. What if, how if? But at the end of the day, like I said, He would answer my prayer over and over again. I'm like, why? And He would answer it in a way like to tell me, look, I told you I got this. Why? Look what happened. Why in the world did you spend your time stressing and worrying about that? So I'm telling you all that to talk about this today. Like I said, I've been through a lot over the past few weeks, and I gave it to God. I had that feeling, yeah, I know you got it, God. I know you've always answered my prayers. But then on the other side, I'm stressing, stressed, worried. And then God comes along and I ask God, okay, if there's a way that you can work it out, do this, do that to make it be okay. Because I know you can do that. So why was I worrying? Because at the end of the day, it all turned out just like I said, God, I know you got it. And it's like every time He just like, I told you, what were you doing all that for? Because I believe in God, I know that even through our humanness, we can't or we don't have the power to do things. So if you're at a dead end and you don't know what to do, consider praying, asking God to help you with whatever your stress is. He says that if you call on me, if you ask for me, if you want to draw close to me, He'll draw close to you. He will hear you. So when you feel alone, just whisper a little prayer to God. God, I'm alone. I mean, don't have to be fancy. I don't know what to do. Help me. Save my child, save my husband, whatever your worry or your stress is. Give it to God. Ask Him. God promises if you call out to Him, He will hear you. He will answer you. He will not leave you alone. He promises. So I'm just saying this today to encourage you and let you know that you are not alone in your sufferings and your struggles. God hears you. Just ask Him. He is there waiting just waiting for you to ask Him for help, because He is willing, ready, and willing to do that. God loves you. He loves you just the way you are. You don't have to change anything to come to Him. Just do it. Now, every day, bad things are happening to us and all around us, but we have to make a choice. We can either choose to be angry and vengeful and hateful because bad things have happened to us or someone we love, or we can take that bad and turn it around into something good. Because by doing that, you are be an example to other people that your circumstance does not determine your outcome. And that's what I try to do. No matter what goes on in my life, I try to be an example and give back. You're in control. You decide. You decide whether you're happy or sad. Nobody can take joy away from you unless you give them that power. So I'm telling you all these things today, regardless of what you're going through. You are not alone, my brother, my sister. I love you. And I hope that this has been some type of encouragement for you. If it has, please go ahead and hit the like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for coming by and watching. Talk to you later. Bye.